Why do dogs wag their tails? The surprising truth behind this canine behavior. Dogs are often referred to as man's best friend for their loyalty, companionship, and playful nature. One of the most iconic visual cues of a happy dog is tail wagging, but have you ever wondered why dogs wag their tails or what it means? Tail wagging is a form of communication that dogs use to convey different emotions and intentions. It's not just a sign of happiness. Tail wagging can be a complex behavior that expresses a variety of feelings. According to animal behaviorists, when a dog wags its tail to the right side, it usually indicates positive feelings, such as happiness, excitement, or anticipation. Conversely, if the tail is wagging leftwards, it may indicate negative emotions like nervousness or fear. However, this lateral bias in tail wagging is not always consistent, and some dogs may wag their tails in both directions. Moreover, the speed and height of the wag also play a crucial role in interpreting a dog's emotional state. A fast wag with a high amplitude typically suggests happiness or excitement, while a slower, lower wag may indicate anxiety or uncertainty. Interestingly, not all tail wagging is friendly or welcoming. Dogs may also wag their tails aggressively or defensively. For instance, a dog may wag its tail slowly while baring its teeth, which could signal an impending attack. Therefore, it's essential to look at the context and other body language cues to understand the underlying emotion behind the tail wagging. So, why do dogs wag their tails in the first place? Some scientists believe that tail wagging is a vestige of wolf behavior, where the alpha wolf would lift its tail to display dominance over subordinate members. However, this theory is somewhat contested as dogs have evolved significantly from their wild ancestors and adapted to human domestication. Another explanation relates to the role of the tail in a dog's balance and coordination. Dogs use their tails like a rudder, which helps them change direction swiftly while running or walking. Therefore, some experts argue that dogs wag their tails to signal their readiness to initiate movement or play. Regardless of the reason behind it, tail wagging is an essential part of canine communication, and it's crucial for both humans and dogs to be aware of its nuances and meanings. As pet owners, we must pay attention to our furry friends' body language and respond accordingly to ensure their well-being. In conclusion, tail wagging is not just a simple gesture that dogs use to express happiness or excitement. It's a complex behavior that conveys a range of emotions and intentions, depending on the context, speed, and amplitude of the wag. While we may never fully understand the intricacies of tail wagging, being mindful of its significance can enhance our bond with our furry companions and make us better pet parents.